Yeah, I think I do have cash. Perfect.
All right, pal.
There you go. Thank you so much. Sorry, I owe you a cent.
I think I owed you the last time.
Well, ladies and gents, guess what? My bike wouldn't start again. My battery is dead. So perhaps it's not a battery issue, but a charging issue. Is my battery not being charged while I ride? Who knows? It's hard to tell. Hard to tell. But we're just gonna go out there and figure it out. Brother. Anyway, ladies and gents, welcome to yet another vloggy vlog. Yet another beautiful, whatever day of the week this is. Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday. And I left the office a cunt hair early. Early because I actually have a meeting. I have a meeting in half an hour, and I'm gonna do it remotely instead of being at the office. So that's my plan anyway. That's my plan anyway. As to why my bike don't start, I don't fucking know. But we'll figure it out. I'm sure of it. We'll figure it out. The battery just didn't have time to charge. It needs a long ride. It needs a nice long ride to get charged up, not a 5-minute blast. But it's all good. It's all good. Oh man, what do I have to tell you? A whole lot of nothing. A whole lot of nothing. Just gonna ride home. Bra. Bra. And a little bit of traffic, naturally. Naturally, a little bit of traffic. Naturally. Do. Da-da. Oh, right, I was gonna get some gas. Damn, forgot about that. Oh boy, I need gas and the bike is not gonna fucking start afterwards. Oh, what a bitch. What a punk bitch. What a punk beach. Interesting maneuver. You gotta use the whole road in order to do it right. Damn charging system. Oh, there's the gas light again. It's all right. Trying to decide, do I want to fill this baby up right now, or do I want to fill it up later? Good question. Good question. I think I'll do it later. I'm too tired right now, and I gotta take care of a couple of things anyway. Oh, damn. I'm excited to just chill today. Relax. Chill and relax. I don't know why the battery died. Luckily it's a quick fix, but oh, so annoying. So annoying. I just need a new bike. What is happening? What these last few vlogs I haven't been doing anything but commuting, so it's kind of it's very repetitive, to say the least. Gas, only 80 miles since the last fill up. That's kind of wild. It's all good. Wait, what? Oh, we're parked on this street here. So it's 9:30 and 11:30. We're still recording, which is great. Come on, Grandma. Come on, Grandpa. Little Subaru boy. Little Subaru boy. Or girl. Or girl. Alright, so we're gonna go get some gas over there. I wasn't gonna get gas, but the thing is, it's like parking the bike with no gas in it is a bad idea. Because what if there's like an emergency of some sort, and you know, what if there's an emergency and I have to go somewhere? It would not be acceptable. It would not be acceptable. So I gotta throw in a little bit of gas into this bitch's ass. Go ahead, kids. Yep, man, look at that. I like those Acura ads. The Acura ads are cute. What is happening here? I guess they're like, is that a new park? I guess they're building a crazy little park for this church. Wildness. Holy, sweet wildness. who knows? Who knows anything about this? But yeah, this is my local gas station right over here. How much you want to bet this bitch is not gonna start again? I'm gonna have to jump start this hole. It's okay, not a big deal. It'll take a second. Oh shit. Holy shit. Alright. So that gas station is dead. What are you doing? Bro. Hello. There we go. Wait, do I have not? What? Hey, how's it going? You guys take cars, right?
It has to be like $10 at least.
Oh, it has to be. Oh, I'm not gonna make it. I need like 7. All right. No worries. Yeah, because I'm not.
You want the 93?
Yeah, I'll take that.
Whatever you want. What do you want?
93, yeah. Because I don't want to fill this thing up too high. Because long story.
What do you got?
No, because I got to freaking replace my battery, and if I fill it up all the way, it's gonna be leaking, and just need like 2 gallons. I guess I could do $10. Yeah, that's fine. And you know what? I actually might have cash. How about that? There you go. Thank you so much, brother. There we go. Yeah, I think I do have cash. Perfect.
All right, pal.
There you go. Thank you so much. Sorry, I owe you a cent.
I think I owed you the last time.
Thanks, man. All right. Well, I'm just glad the bike started back up, and that's all good. It's all good. I am so disheveled, but now I have gas. Except I only have 2 gallons. My leg doesn't bend. My right leg does not bend anymore. And that is why today there's no booze, just water. Lots and lots of water. Lots and lots of water. Water. What does this vlog mean? A whole hell of a lot of nothing. Whole heck of a lot of nothing. Green. Sweet. Alright kids, I'll talk to you later. Sorry, I'm just like not in the mood today. Not feeling it. Not feeling it, brothers and sisters. Everybody have a good one, okay? Bye-bye.